In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Capcut templates on PC or laptop. Now, to get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Capcut on your browser. Since the templates feature isn't available for the laptop or PC version of TikTok. Now, in here, go ahead and sign in to your Capcut account. So you can sign in using your Google account, using your TikTok account, your Facebook account, or with Capcut Mobile. And since we've already successfully signed into your account, you'll be able to use all the assets that you have along with the templates available on Capcut for your own reason. So you'll find the templates section below the media section. In here, you'll be able to find different types of templates that you can use for personal, business, or academics use. Just click on the template which you want to use and click on the edit template which you'll find in the middle of the video. Now, as you can see in here, this part isn't changeable, but the last part is changeable. So you can upload from your phone, record, edit to reference, or upload it from your PC or laptop. So just go ahead and click on upload file. Now select the photo that you want to add beside that file. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this guide helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe.